Hello students, today I am explaining you 10th class chapter 7 coordinate geometry exercise 7.3 first question second bit. So first I read the question. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are minus 5 comma minus 1, 3 comma minus 5 and 5 comma 2. So we want to find the area of the triangle. So let us solve this problem. Solution. So first we draw the triangle and name it as A, B, C, and A is the first point minus 5 comma minus 1, and the second vertex is 3 comma minus 5 is B, and C is 5 comma 2. Let the first point is x1 y1 and the second point is x2 y2 and the third point is x3 and y3. x3 and y3. Now write the formula. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle delta is equals to half mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Make it is box. Once again I read the formula. Delta equals to half mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now in this formula, so we want to substitute this x1 y1 and x2 y2 x3 y3 values. So now I am substituting that points. So write delta is equals to half mod of x1. x1 is what? Minus 5. x1 into y2 minus y3. y2 is minus 5 and this is formula minus y3 is 2 plus x2. x2 is 3 into y3. y3 is 2 minus y1. y1 is minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. Plus x3. x3 is what? 5 into y1. y1 is minus 1 and formula minus y2. y2 is what? Minus 5. Minus into minus plus 5. Then simplify this. Half mod of minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Plus write 3 as it is. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 5 as it is. Minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4 is equals to half mod of minus into minus plus 5 sevens are 35 plus 3 threes are 9 plus 5 fours are 20. Next we simplified this. Is equals to half mod of 35 plus 20 is 55. 55 plus 9 is 14 and 6 64. 64. So is equals to half into 64. 2 ones are, 2 threes are and 2 twos are. 64 is divided with 2. We get what? 32 is equals to 32. Therefore, area of triangle is equals to 32 square unit. This is the answer. We have one more problem, that is example 21. So first we read the question. The points 3 comma minus 2, minus 2 comma 8 and 0 comma 4 are 3 points in a plane. So that these points are collinear. These points are collinear. So what are the collinear points? If area of the triangle is a 0 is called what? Collinear. So that only I am going to show in this problem. So let us solve the problem. Solution. So write the points first, 3 comma minus 2, and the second point is minus 2 comma 8, and the third point is what? 0 comma 4. Let this is x1 y1 because the first point, and the second point is x2 y2, and third point is x3 y3. Now write the area of triangle. Delta equals to half mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, and make it is box because it is a formula. Now substitute this x1 y1 and x2 y2 x3 y3 values in this formula. Right, delta equals to 1 by 2 mod of x1. x1 is what? 3 into y2. y2 is 8 minus this minus y3. y3 is 4 plus x2. x2 is what? Minus 2 into y3. y3 is a 4 minus y1. y1 is what? Minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2, and plus x3. x3 is what? 0 into y1. y1 is minus 2 minus y2. y2 is what? 8. And now simplify this step. So for that, right now delta as it is equals to half mod of 3 into 8 minus 4 is 4, plus into minus minus 2 into 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 0 into anything is a 0. Not need to simplify this bracket value because 0 into is there. So 0 into anything is a 0. We can write 0 there. Delta is equals to half mod of 3 4s are 12 minus 6 2s are 12, and delta is equals to half 12 minus 12 is a 0. So delta is equals to half into 0 is a 0. Here we got delta equal to 0. Therefore, what we can conclude? Therefore, given the points are collinear. Given the points are collinear points.